Hey guys, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions. And just like with measurement, adding and subtracting fractions, you have to have the same unit to be able to combine them, to be able to add them together or take something away from it. It has to be common units, the same denominator. So our unit in fractions is whatever the denominator is. Remember, this is our numerator, this is our denominator. Okay, so the problem that I started with in my first video messed up, so the work's already done. But anyway, I have 3.5 plus 4 2/6. Okay, these are the units that I'm trying to get to be the same. So to get the same unit, I've got to list these two units and list my multiples. I'm trying to find the common multiple. Just like we could not add centimeters and inches together here, we can't add two pieces or halves with sixths, okay? So I've listed my multiples here. My multiples for 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I have my multiples for 6. I just listed 6 and 12 because I saw that 6 was already here, making me realize that, oh, 6 is my least common denominator or my least common multiple, okay? So I moved those sixes here, and now I've got to find new fractions. I've got to find equivalent fractions to what was given. My given fraction is 1/2, and I've got to make it into sixths now. Well, how did I go from halves to sixths? Well, I know 2 times 3 is 6, or 6 is my third multiple, 2, 4, 6. So since I said 2 times 3 to get a new denominator, I have to say times 3 with my numerator, and I know 1 times 3 is 3. So now my equivalent fraction is for 3.5 is 3 3/6. Now I have to do the exact same thing for 4 2/6. 6 stayed the same. So guess what? If your denominator stays the same, so does your numerator. So I just brought this down, 4 2/6. Now I have the same units. I can combine 3/6 with 2/6 to get me 5/6. And I know 3 plus 4 is 7. So remember, the key thing with adding and subtracting fractions is you have to have the same unit. You have to work with the same unit, and you have to find your least common multiple to be able to find your least common denominator here so that we can find our equivalent fractions.